I want you to spit that out. Don't swallow it, buddy. I had no idea it was going to be this nice today. Hey, buddy. Hey, sweet boy. Oh, that darn thing gets in the way, doesn't it? Harness is a little big. We need to tighten that up slightly. He does.
Like a little teddy bear.
Mm-hmm. He does remind me of a little bear cub. He's so good with Tess. He's a little playful, which, you know, Tess is a little wobbly, but he's so sweet to her. Mr. Busybody.
Yep, go ahead and pull those out. They look like they're fried. Clearly, they're fried. Come on, pumpkin.
No. Okay, you can have a... No, you can't eat that. Don't eat that, but you can have water. Okay, never mind. He's coming.
Come on.
Where'd you go, buddy? Did you go upstairs? You thirsty? You want a drink? You want some water, buddy? Hmm? Tired too, aren't you? Yeah. Hey, sweet boy. You are such a sweet boy. Hey. Somebody's tired. I think somebody's ready for their nap. Maybe not. What do you think, buddy? What do you think, you little cute rascal, you? Hey.